Okay, probably up. Oh, is that the light? Oh, that's the light everybody be talking about. Look at that. Look at that. That's the light. That's the light. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to do an unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. I know. Girl, she need help. But another unboxing, and I can't wait to tell you what it is if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to unbox for you all. Just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Well, you know, sometimes you just need a remix, sometimes we just need a remix, and I'm gonna remix it up. Okay. Welcome, family. Hello. If you all do not know, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. And honey, sis, bro, cousin, okay, auntie, uncle, grandma, okay, grandpa, papa. We got it unboxing. We got it unboxing, and honey, I am so excited. And I don't even know what it smells like. I am so excited. I have none other than Tiziana Terenzi Tabit. Oh, honey, the packaging, this heavy packaging, everything. And I don't even know. I don't know, but we're going to get to know together. Honey, I have been wanting this fragrance for a little while, okay? And one, the packaging is everything, honey. Look at that. I mean, packaging alone, I was like, honey, just this packaging, the box, right? The notes, the juice has to be, and I'm about to drop it. Has to be amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Honey. Oh my God. And it is so heavy. And sometimes, it's okay if you cannot get something like right when you see it, right when everybody's talking about it, and the hype is the hype, and you like, oh, I want to get on that train. I want that. Sometimes it's okay to just save your coins, your coinage, and then be able to be like, now, add to cart. It is okay. You don't have to be first. You don't even have to be second. But as long as you want to get it when the getting is good, because this was a good buy, then you are okay. I am so, if you can't tell, excited that I now have this in my collection. This has been on the wish list. Whew. And so we're going to unbox this together. You know, I got to be extra. But, honey, this packaging. Look at this gold masterpiece. Honey. Just had to throw it. For what? I don't know. But look at this. Look at this. Oh, and then it has Tabit on this. I mean, everything. Now, I don't even know, like, how do you even open it?
We happy? Vincent! We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
Okay, I'm probably up. Oh, is that the light? Oh, that's the light everybody be talking about. Look at this. Look at this. That's the light. That's the light. If you're not excited with me, sorry. I mean, on this channel, we have fun. We excited. We love everybody's celebration of everything. We are family, right? So we get gets excited. Okay, clearly. Oh, and it has the light. Oh my gosh. Does it come down? Okay, no, it doesn't come down like that white box. So it doesn't come down. Okay. Okay. All right. Just in case Tiziana Terenzi is looking at us. Okay.
Enough, Reggie.
And the packaging is open. Okay, no. Okay, let's get into it. Look at this. All of that in this gold beauty. Oh my gosh. And to me, it almost is like, and then it has little cards about like different fragrances and the in the fragrance. Okay. To me, does it have any? Oh, it does. Okay, great. It has the fragrance notes. Cool. We'll get into it. To me, this has to be everything to have that packaging. If it is not everything, honey, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Y'all gonna be like, she did all that and it don't even smell good. I am so hoping it smells good. But let's get into the notes. So, the top notes, we have bergamot and green notes. Middle notes, we have coconut, peach, warm sands, and floral notes. Okay. And the base notes, we have vanilla, musk, candy, woody notes, and amber. What? Okay, and so for Grantica, let me give you all that. It said they have top notes, green notes, bergamot. Okay, middle notes, peach, floral notes, sands, coconut. Cool. Base note, musk, cotton candy. They said it was cotton candy, not just any old candy, but cotton candy. All right, woody notes, vanilla, and amber. Honey, I'm ready. I'm even gonna do a whole test strip. I normally break it up so I can use it in another video. Cause why we gotta use this whole big thing for just one video? That just doesn't make sense to me. But this one, because it's so grand, I'm gonna do another grand thing, and I'm gonna use the whole test strip. Okay, so let's get into it. This is my first impression. I don't know what this smells like. This is a blind buy first impression. This is all the things that you probably shouldn't do. But I did it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Ooh, baby. Oh, okay. Okay.
Tell me!
It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. It's so pretty. Okay, now. Okay. Can I do it on skin? Okay, let me do it here. Because I feel like I put another fragrance on there. Because I did another video. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, okay. It's very prominent on skin. Okay. Projecting on skin. Okay. Okay. First impression. This is bougie. First impression. All this packaging. She bougie. And she loud. Okay. Now that green note is different for me. Okay. Not saying it turns me off. It's different. It just hit me different. It's like the green note, I'm like, Okay? Okay? You're not, I'm not dissing you yet. Not yet. But I'm not dissing you, but I'm like, green note, I'm looking at you side-eye right now. Okay. Ooh. This is bougie. This is a different level. This is a different level of fragrance. Okay. Now this is good. But to me, you have to, like a green, I do smell the coconut. Now I'm not getting a lot of the cotton candy. But to me, this is a fancy date. Like, this is a very wedding event, very formal event, very much a bougie. Like, if you want them to know that you're here and different, you know what I'm saying? You want to step in something different, I would wear this. This is definitely not every day, but this is very luxe. I'm going to have to sit on this and like marinate with this and kind of go back and forth in my mind and just, you know, I mean, first impression, I like it. Like, this is not a love, though. This is not like, oh, I love this. This is everything. It's not that. But she is bougie, you know? She's a different, she like, okay. It's like, I see you. What her name? Well, what she do? Like, it's one of them. Ooh, okay. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this purchase. I'm not mad at all of this purchase. I think for me, though, first impression, I am like, okay, I can't wear her all the time. So versatility to me, like, I wouldn't be able to touch her at all times. This wouldn't be an everyday. But, like, Kirk gives me, like, I could, not an everyday, but it's more versatile. It doesn't have to be like a formal thing with Kirk. Like, I can go out to dinner with a friend or go to a friend's birthday dinner or something like that and wear Kirk and be cool. Like, Draco gives me like island. I can just grab and go. That gives me light, you know, so it gives me a different feel. But this one, okay, this is fancy. This gives me like elevation, fanciness. Okay. All right. Well, that's my first impression. Now, I will get into it. I will wear it. I will see if I get some compliments and somebody's like, what are you wearing? And I'm saying, Tabit, Tiziana Terenzi, do you know it? Yes, I'm going to get into it. We're going to have to test this out. But I'm not mad at her, okay? The green note kind of like, okay. You know, you kind of perk up. All right, let's sit, let's marinate, let's talk about it, okay? So we're going to talk about this again. If you all want me to do a dedicated review, a full review on this after wearing it a time or two, you know, let me know. I'll come back around. This might make it to a list, a formal event list. I can see her making it to a list. Oh, and that dry down. Ooh. Now the dry down. Okay, let it sit. That dry down like, I'm here. What you doing? Where you want to take me? You want to take me out? You want to take me? Okay. No, I don't know. But, y'all, get this. Now, I would say catch a good old sale. And I'm trying to think, how much was it for the good old sale that I got? I feel like this was in the late 100, maybe almost 2. But I feel like this was in the late hundreds. I feel like I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. It's like 180 or something like that. And I was like, oh my gosh, go get it. Like, get it now. Like, I feel like this was a really good deal. I don't think it was in the 200s though. And if it was like an early 200s because of taxes. So I'm gonna have to start writing it down because, honey, I'm not gonna lie. When I see a deal, I get it and go. Like, and I don't know if it's still a deal. I just be at the cart, like, real quick. So look out for some deals. Like this, I think like original price is like in the 500s. 400 range, like high 400s. Like, this was a coin. And so now you can find this at a deal. So if you get this at a deal, a steal deal, this is heavy. This is well worth it, okay? Well worth it, you know? And again, this dry down though. Ugh, she about to do some things. This is bougie. Yeah. Okay. Get your life. Okay. Definitely let me know your thoughts. If you have this fragrance, I would love to know in the comment section. What do you think of this? Yeah, let me know. I would love to get to know her. I am going to get to know her, but I would love to, again, know your family, like know your thoughts, family. If I could talk. Okay. Well, you all make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, until next time, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. Bye, family. Love you.